In this video, we're going to look at two Canva tools that help you fix missing space in your designs: Crop Expand and Magic Expand. These features let you extend photos or graphics so they fit your layout without stretching or distorting the original image. Let's take a look. With Canva's home page open, click the purple Create button in the top left, or choose one of the format icons across the page. I'm going to start with a presentation 4:3. Once your design opens, head over to the Elements icon in the left-hand toolbar. From here, you can search for graphics or photos, use the prompt box to generate images, video, or code, or browse through categories and apps to add something to your design. Sometimes, though, the image or graphic you choose doesn't quite fit the size or aspect ratio of your canvas. That can leave empty space around the edges that doesn't look quite right. In this example, I'm using a photo of a cup sitting on a table with a plant, a book, and a vase in the background. I like everything in the image, but I don't want to simply scale it up to fill the entire design. Doing that would make the cup too large for what I have in mind. This is exactly where Expand and Magic Expand come in. Let's look at Expand first. To access Expand, make sure your image is selected so the floating toolbar appears. From that toolbar, click the Crop icon. This opens the Crop panel on the left side of your screen. Across the top of the panel, you'll see two options: Crop and Expand. Expand is a Canva Pro feature, so if you don't have Canva Pro, this option won't be available. Click on Expand. You'll see three options: Freeform, Whole Page, and One-to-One. For this example, we're going to choose Whole Page. Once you make a selection, the Expand button at the bottom turns purple. Click it. Canva will generate for a moment, and then you'll be given 4 expanded image options to choose from. Click through each one to preview how it looks in your design. You can generate more options if needed, or select the one you like best and click Done. Next, we take a look at Magic Expand. Again, this is a Canva Pro feature. To access Magic Expand, make sure your image is selected so the floating toolbar appears. In that toolbar, click on Edit. That opens the image panel on the left side of the screen. Look for Magic Media, and then click on the button here to scroll to the right and find Magic Expand. Click on it, and it once again opens the Crop panel where we find Magic Expand. Again, click on Whole Page, then the Expand button at the bottom, and watch as Canva generates 4 image options to choose from to add to your design. And that's how you can use Crop Expand and Magic Expand to fill missing space in your designs without stretching or losing quality. It's a simple tool, but it can make a big difference in how polished your layouts look. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.